A very well welcome to my presentation about project-based flipped classroom workshop series for online education using drone building to teach engineering subjects. The pandemic has taught us a lot of things, and we had to use online education to transport knowledge, not only to educate people, uh, we also had to include other tools to 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 teach people in different ways. We need collaborative competences when entering the corporate world, yet education focuses too much on individual learning. In order to make online teaching a more hands-on experience, this paper proposes co-creational shared physics simulations and virtual physics experiments including 2D drone simulations. The main anchor of this work was using a drone. Why did we use drones? Because drones, we have to assemble drones, we can code drones, and we can let drones fly, and we can transport a lot of knowledge in physics, in computer science, mathematics, 3D modeling, in this little tool of a drone. And that's why we used drone as a main anchor to teach coding to different target groups. Our work consisted, or our workshop series consisted of three main target groups: primary school kids, high school kids, or university students. And what makes this work so unique is that we are inventing and have invented already collaborative tools where people who have or who sit at home or get a access link to a tool can work in teams collaboratively together and use animations and use virtual physics simulations to code in teams, or to let people, and not only code, make things together. So that's why we need co-creational learning, and that's why we use collaboration. Collaboration requires creative thinking in order to solve problems. So we need more people who can work collaboratively. That's why, because when we enter the job market in the future, we need people who can work together in teams. And if we have learned something from the pandemic, then that we need people who can work collaboratively online together in teams. So that's why, and our results show that using such drones and such collaborative tools to assemble or to code or to make such drones together, the overall knowledge outcome is higher than sitting at home alone individually. So the collaborative aspect of online teaching can be found in the way students are included in the thought process and in the knowledge transfer. Students are not only recipients of information anymore, but play an active part as a co-educating content generator, which means not only flipped classroom environments, we put the student in an active learning environment and let the student co-content generator.